Hello, this is Hooha. This is our two extrusion lines. One is 70 at 35 extrusion lines, and another is 90 extrusion lines export to Uzbekistan. All these colors is Muslims, people like color, white color. And this is two lines installation in our showroom as you're checking. This line is 90. Inside is 70 plus 35. As we see, this is 35. This is 70. You are always welcome to visit our factory to see for machine in the showroom. Always welcome. Hello everyone, this is Hooha. This two container will be exported to Uzbekistan. As you saw, seeing is believing. We're still moving the concrete. Not easy. You move one back and one back. Hard work for this. See?